Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra. Firstly, go into the settings. Now scroll a bit down and go into security. Now tap on more security settings and now tap on SIM card lock. Now tap here and then you just have to type in your SIM pin. I don't remember mine, so just tap in something in my case and then tap on OK. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.